Welcome. I recently purchased a die cutting machine marketed by Nicole from AC Moore prior to them going out of business. It was a great deal. However, it didn't come with any instructions as to how to form your sandwiches. So I thought I'd make this video and share with you what I have found. The machine comes with a base plate, 1/4 inch plate, and two 1/8 inch plates. I found that in order to make a sandwich using a basic cutting die, that you use the base plate, the 1/4 inch plate, and then I lay my cardstock or paper down on top of the 1/4 inch plate. I tape my die in place, helps to keep it from moving, and then I sandwich that with one of the 1/8 inch plates to make my sandwich. I load it into the machine until the handle starts to move, and at that point I turn the handle. I usually go back a couple of times, particularly if I'm using index cardstock. That combination cut quite nicely. Now, in order to use an embossing folder, I found that the correct combination is using the base plate, followed by one of the 1/8 inch plates, followed by my embossing folder, and then that gets sandwiched in between the two 1/8 inch plates to make my sandwich. Again, load it into the machine until the handle starts to move, and then usually one pass does it for me for embossing. And there's my embossed piece. Hope this video helps you if your die cutting machine didn't come with any instructions. Have a nice day.